In today's video, we're going to learn how to add a new word to Microsoft Word's dictionary. This method is especially helpful if you want to manage or update your custom dictionary directly from Word's settings rather than adding words individually while typing. By using the proofing settings, you can maintain better control over the words that Microsoft Word recognizes as correct, which is particularly useful for specialized terminology, industry-specific language, or unique spellings that appear frequently in your documents. To get started, open Microsoft Word and make sure you have any document open. The document itself does not need to contain the word you want to add because we will be working directly within the application's settings. Once Word is open, look toward the upper left corner of the screen and click on the File tab. This tab gives you access to several configuration and management options for the program. After clicking File, a new panel will appear on the screen. From the list of options displayed on the left side, select Options. This will open the Word Options window, where you can customize many of the program's settings. Inside this window, look at the menu on the left side and click on Proofing. The Proofing section contains tools related to spelling, grammar checking, and dictionary management. Within the Proofing area, locate the button labeled Custom Dictionaries and click on it. A new window will appear showing the dictionaries currently available in Microsoft Word. In most cases, you will see the default custom dictionary that Word uses to store additional words recognized by the spell checker. Select the active custom dictionary from the list and then click the Edit Word List button. This will open another small window where you can manually add new words to the dictionary. In the text field provided, type the word that you want Microsoft Word to recognize as correct. After entering the word, click the Add button. Once you do this, the word will be stored in the custom dictionary and Word will treat it as correctly spelled in future documents. If you have multiple specialized terms you want to include, you can repeat this step and add them one by one. When you're finished adding words, click OK to close the word list window, and then click OK again to exit the dictionary settings. Your changes will be saved automatically. From this point forward, whenever you type the word you added, Microsoft Word will no longer flag it as a spelling error. Managing your dictionary through the proofing settings can help keep your writing smoother and prevent unnecessary spell check interruptions. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.